All right, the great thing about this machine, I'm going to talk to you. This has two features, the power intake and the safety features. Now, I'm going to show you our old one, all right? This one is the old one, all right? Not only does not have power or safety entrances, you actually have to convert your own power and make it into it. So from making two phases, this comes all in one. So you don't have to worry about the two interfaces, the power safety and the power intake in here. So it's perfect for those kind of things. And then converting your power, of course, that's a plus. So instead of this large setup that we have here, convert it down to a small little petite size.
So today we're in my cabinet shop and we just got this phase converter. So we use a lot of machines that require different voltages. So one thing we got is we didn't need different motors and power sources to power up the machines. So this is a phase converter. If you guys don't have three phase, so this turns 220 electricity into three phase. And the reason we got this is to power up a edge bending machine that needs three phase electricity. So one thing, this is only a 3 horsepower, 2.3. And if you require stronger electricity, they do come on higher, up to 10 horsepower.
Now, we're going to plug it in for the 220s.
110, 110.
110, 110. All right. So remember, you need to have some sort of skills here, electricity skills. Don't try this at home without any of your knowledge. And it's a high risk connection. Make sure all the power is off when you're going to work with something like this, high voltage.
Wait, what is off? Yeah, this is off, this is on. So this is on,
On,
and this
and
is
that's off. If you guys notice, there's a lineup of actual indicators, and there's going to be lights in here. Now, if for some reason you get an error, you're going to have to read the actual instructions. When you get power okay, that means you're ready to turn this on. Now, here's a low voltage power pause, all right? And here's the overheating pause in case this thing's not connected properly or you're running into issues. So there's a lot of safety things. We're going to turn on the power so you guys can see the okay first and come back. Okay, so what are we doing here?
We're gonna do the lines at 220, 110, 110 to hook up the
Converter.
The converter. So the lines are 220s at three phase. That converter is three phase.
Disclaimer, he's a professional electrician. Don't try this at home. Do it at your own risk.
Right now, this is only to power it up to make sure the motor works. And this is where we power up the 220 electricity to convert it to three phase. This, we're not plugging it in because we're not using it.
This is the power on, and this is past the power, but we're not gonna turn this on. We're just gonna turn on the actual generator so you guys can see how it works, right?
Yes.
It's off.
It's off.
Yeah.
All right, so we got it working here. If you guys can see the generator, we're not passing any power on at all, and we just turned it on. And it's on. If you guys can see, it says work, okay, power okay, and work. Now, we're not going to pass it and convert the power, but this is how you actually wire. Right now, we just wired directly to the system so you guys can see it working.